Can I have 1 minute of your time, please? I know you might not have enough time to spare, but may I look 1 minute? Just 1 minute.
Aww. I'd love to come back at this place.
I say, I'm sharp, boy. Bingo, boy, queer. Look here, boy. Ah. Look here, boy. Hey, money. Big money. Check. You don't know Maggy Films boss out there with a brand new one called Grand Theft Auto. People. Me leave me say nothing. See all that sugar mama them out there? Me nah say nothing. See? Taking a one from start to finish is another banger. Maggy Films. You know one and never two. Remember, my next channel, please subscribe to it. The link there in the description. Maggy Jam Ventures, whole lot of stuff will go on over there. See me? Subscribe. I'm not going to be here for too long. Anyway, I give away some local credit. See? So if you're fast enough, see? A Lime and Digicel. So, I'm going to drop it on the screen now. Lime and Digicel. Who fast enough can get it? $1,000 each. On your mark. Get set. Put it on. Alright? So with all that said, big up who get the credit them a while ago. See? I'm want big up Noreen, one of my loyalists. See? Big up the whole Maggy Nation. You don't know. Grand Theft there. Auto. Boom.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Oh yeah, baby. Okay, you know how I go. Hey, yeah. Okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know I'ma hit you on a leg slide. We don't gotta waste no. That house is creeping, this could be a secret, yeah. Girl, I like to keep things simple. Come through when you find what you went for. I remember you, girl, you're my nympho. Don't tell me that changed, have you screaming my name really all night, baby. It's never too late for an all night, baby. We can settle fire for the morning, baby. Bring it right now, oh, I need it right now, yeah. Got you on your back, I know you love to. Even for the night, oh, girl, I want you. Honest in my phone, my girl, I called you. Girl, I know it's late, but okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know I'ma hit you on a leg slide. We don't gotta waste no. That house is creeping, this could be a secret, yeah.
Yo, Stu. Go and check me down a Charmian shop now. Yeah, man. Ford, go and check man the whole of these and things, because we have a next look work to go up on, you know. Alright, me there repair, man. Charmian.
You.
Line up one more different bridge in there.
Alright.
Ah. Ropes, connect. I do that now, General. There, man. You see one more than thing there. Man, a two talk here, man. Charmian, me get the next food there. Sit down, man. Me want some food. Boy, you're not easy, you know. I mean, can't see. Let's see, a few minutes. Yeah, man. Pass it up now. Alright. So you know say girl Shanice link me. Eh, she finally ready now. It's easier so remember say I the girl is boss. Remember say you tough. I just want to look at one girl that you know really not too much. You see me? Remember say you tough too, you know. Remember say me tough and I girl really, you know.
Are you tough and a hustler? Now you are bring me, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. I don't know. Say, yo, we have to help out one another. Each one help one. Alright?
That is it, man.
Sure, me get a flavor splash here. How you want me, General?
You want backstream?
I want backstreet, too.
Yeah, food you bad as if.
Yeah, man. You don't know. Say, Charmaine, I best.
Yeah, man.
Here you go.
Alright, thanks. Say me, Charmaine.
Respect me, Charmaine.
Alright.
Oh, Charmaine, you know, can't reason. I hear me say now. Me want next old, you see me, she in a age, she live over, on the scheme over Petersfield, so. You understand? I man now did it cause I man must go on a Bahamas for a little farming program, you understand? So, you know for your talent already, more you run in over there. Make you fall in love with you, cause you know your girl is already, you know. Make you fall in love with you, cause she not no care, you understand? Someone you force her to get a vehicle, you understand? Any little vehicle. Then we just rope and move away there, you see me, and then we just jump to a next one, you understand? Cause you know I feel look, you see me? What do you think about it?
That is it, man. Cool.
Alright, no,
Cool.
no say word, man.
Nice lady, hello.
Hi.
Can I get 1 minute of your time, please? I know you might not have enough time to spare, but may I look 1 minute? Just 1 minute. Okay, first of all, my name is Stu. And what is yours?
Stu?
Yeah?
Is that your real name?
No, my apologies. It's my street name. My friends call me Stu, but my real name is Andrew.
Okay. I'm Kelly.
Oh, nice to meet you, Kelly.
Nice meeting you too. So, why did you stop me?
It's kind of hard to explain. It came like more like a feeling to explain. Well, to be honest, I am a very shy person. and it's hard to come over and talk to you because right now I'm nervous.
Hmm. Um, I don't even know what to say. I'm kind of lost.
Okay, well, let me get to the point. I really do like you, and I know that you're a little bit older than me, and I am afraid for you to shame me.
Is that what you have to say to me?
Yes.
That is so hard for you to say? Like seriously? It's easy. You don't have to go through all this to tell me just that simple thing, you know? But I understand.
I think you're so beautiful, and I would like to get to know you.
Young man, getting to know me, I don't think that is the right thing. I am a married woman. I am not single.
Well, I understand. That simply mean I should give you more respect due to being here married.
Young man, it's the first time I'm hearing these things. And you say that you're shy? Your mouth is so sweet. I don't think you're shy. You're a brave person. You feel that you're shy, but you're not.
Well, my bigger brother always told me if I'm shy, I should use my shyness. And today, I am using my shyness because I always see you passing in the street and I'm afraid to stop you. So I determined to stop you and using my shyness today.
Okay, I understand.
Well, I'm glad you understand.
So what do you want from me?
I just want to get to know you and know your number.
Remember I told you that I'm a married woman,
I know, I understand you.
but I can give you my number, that's okay.
So what time can I call you later?
You can call me anytime.
You sure?
Yeah,
Okay, make sure. I will give you a call.
just call me.
Okay.
Okay.
네 곁에 내가 힘이 돼줄게 작은 해 보게도 웃을 수 있게
Yo, Operation Bingo, you know. Hotspot Connect up. So me I come check you and you see it. Alright, bro.
Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups and shy. See this night I choose to forget I trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget down. I get the shy, you get the drinker. If you go my, I make we link up. Me I go for party, me I go for party. All night I dey sip, but they smoke, I dey drink or something. See this line in my phone is on silence, I don't wanna hear nothing. Nothing, neither. Got this night, I choose to forget my trouble for life.
Hello, my sweet princess.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you doing, honey?
I'm fine. Just give me all the direction to your house because I'm coming now.
Oh, you're coming. You're
Yeah.
on your way already?
Oh my, yes, sweetie.
Okay, all right. I'm living over by the scheme on Shrewsbury. Remember when I told you the other day that I'm on the scheme at the apartment? It have orange at the front.
Oh, so I think I am close, honey. So I'm gonna reach there, I think, by the next 5 minutes, okay?
Okay. Can't
Okay.
wait to see you.
Okay, you're my sweetie, you're my sweetheart. I love you so much.
Oh, I love you so much. Love you too.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Yo, Lando.
Yo, still,
You must say I woman them you go link you now.
when today.
Yeah man, about in the next 5 minutes me I reach our foot.
Alright, then that. But you're more to figure more. You get any little information from her. If you can get her bank card number, if you can get her ID.
What identity more you collect for me? Everything, bird paper, any little thing. Alright. Yeah man, I feel you remember say I feel with that man. Dating.
Cool bro, that's a 40 man, me I'll do you right.
Yeah, man. I must know for the thing because I feel part of that. So,
Alright.
just match up that thing.
Alright.
Alright, we connect.
Alright bro.
Again. Yo Ziggy, sending them the information them can give me now so I can start the transaction you know. Yeah man, shut it to my phone right away. Mad, mad.
Hi.
Oh,
You can come inside.
you don't have any dog?
No, no, no.
Wow. Nice, beautiful place.
Nice meeting you again. You can come inside. And I want you to sit right here. You want something to drink?
Oh yeah.
All right, just give me 2 minutes.
Wow. Like rich man. Team a building ya. Moms have.
Here we go.
Oh wow.
Want me to open it for you? All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wow.
So what's going on? You finally find your way, eh?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I could let you go inside, but we have neighborhood watch here. These people in the community, they watch each other very hard.
Oh really?
Yes, and I don't want them to know my business. I really do like you, but I want this to be personal between me and you alone. You understand? Like, as I said before, I do not like people to know my business. Remember, I told you before that I have my man in Bahamas. You understand? And he have a lot of friends and family in this area. You understand me?
Oh, really?
Yes, in this vicinity area. You have a
Wow.
lot of family.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
From the first time I met you, my heart keep melting.
Oh
I
my
can't
God.
sleep. The day I met you, I cannot sleep.
You just let me like have some shivering stuff going through my body like current right now. Oh my God, I can't believe this. I thought I was just thinking about you alone, but you're thinking about me just the same. I feel the same.
Wow.
Just the same too. Yes, I feel the same way. Anyway, I would love to really, really take you inside, but I just can't right now. I want we to both keep this thing on a low profile, you know? Yeah, for now, until I sort out some stuff.
Oh, that would be great if I get inside, you know? That would be
I can
wonderful.
see that you really want to go inside, but don't worry, that day will come. Just let me know you a little bit more. You understand?
Can I even glimpse?
You can, of course. Why not?
Wow. Amazing.
Thank you.
Wow. Your place is so beautiful.
Thank you.
I love it. So, what type of work your husband do?
Oh, you know, he's a contractor in the Bahamas. He built a lot of houses. Wow. Yeah, a lot of house. He's well known in Bahamas. People from America, Canada, and so always get in touch with him to come to their country to build house.
So, do you work?
Well, at this moment, I'm not working, but I used to.
Oh, I
He
see.
doesn't want me to work because I'm well taken care of. He's the one who's taking care of me.
I see. I'm gonna make a phone call. Just give me a sec, okay?
Okay.
Can I go around there?
Yes,
Okay.
feel free.
Wow.
You okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Get through with the phone call?
No, I didn't get to him.
That was quick. Okay, I see.
I tried about 2 times and it didn't ring.
I don't have anything against that name, but I don't feel comfortable calling you Stu. I'm gonna call you Andrew, okay?
Okay, no problem. You could call me Andrew, but my friends call me Stu.
Not a problem at all.
My friends used to me by the name of Stu more than Andrew.
Okay. I'm glad that I met you the other day. You seems like a nice person. You look really cool. Yeah, and I really like you.
Well, to be honest, I don't think I like you because how I feel about you, I love you already.
Like seriously?
Yes.
So fast?
I really, really and truly love you. The first time I met you, I told you my heart was melting for you. Now I'm gonna tell you again. I really and truly love you.
Okay. You really, really love me so fast?
Yes, I love you. I swear I love you. I really, really love you.
That one was quick.
So you don't believe in love at first sight?
Kind of, yeah, but not really. I think we need to know each other more and get to understand each other. What do you think?
I'm gonna work with what you say. I'm gonna work with it. But don't make it be too long.
No, it won't. I'll think about it. I'll let you know. what I am thinking.
Hope next time you see me for sure, it will be a good story.
Okay. Oh, come to think about it, you did not tell me what type of work you do. What type of work you do?
Oh, you know I'm a data entry technician though.
Oh, okay. That sounds interesting.
Very interested.
Okay.
Well, you know I'm gonna have to keep moving because I have some work to deal with, to take care of. So, one of these days I need to take you to the river. Chill and have a nice time. So I'm gonna call you and talk about that later on.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so nice. A
At
nice,
first, you're saying that.
nice
All right.
coming over.
All right.
Okay,
Just
bye.
give me a call.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Kelly.
Hey, you left something?
No, do you have any extra 2,000 on you? Because I don't have my card on me and I don't bother to go to the ATM machine.
Okay, sure. I'm gonna get it for you.
Okay.
네 곁에 내가 힘이 돼줄게 작은 해 보게도 웃을 수 있게
Who is this calling me? Oh, babe. What's up? You alright? I know, I miss your call. Sorry about that. How are you doing? Sounds great. Oh, okay, yeah. You can send it to Western Union. Yeah, Western Union. Yes, as always. You can send it and make sure you send as much because I only have a little change in my purse to go to the supermarket and I need to make some grocery. Yeah. Okay. Love you too, honey. I miss you. When are you coming home? That sounds kind of too long. I miss you too. Love you. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Mwah.
언제나 네 곁에 있을 거야 I love you I love you 차마 하지 못했던 말 I love you I love you 내 맘속에 바다는 너 하나뿐인 너야 I love you I love you I love you
Hello?
Sweetie,
Hi.
meet me at the crossroad. I'm at the crossroad.
Okay.
Out by 30 yard.
Okay, I was just about to come outside, so I'm on my way.
Okay, I'm waiting.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. No. Sorry. Remember I told you. No touching.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Water looking nice and fresh.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Wow. So clean.
Yeah. Nice and cool. Can't wait to go down there.
Me too. Take your time.
Okay. No touching, no touching. I'm fine. Thank you. Wow. This is so beautiful. Where are you going to sit down?
Right.
There? Okay.
Take your time.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, it's so nice and cool.
You love it?
Yes, I do. Aww. I would love to come back at this place. What do you call this place again?
It's called Rolling River.
Roaring River? Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, baby. Okay, you know how I go. Hey, yeah, yeah. Okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know I'ma hit you on a late start. We don't gotta waste no. That house is creeping, this could be a secret, yeah. Yeah, girl, I like to keep things simple. Come through when you find what you went for. I remember you, girl, you my nympho. Don't tell me that changed, they be screaming my name really all night, baby. Step it too late for an all night, baby. We can set a fire for tomorrow, baby. We can right now, oh, I need it right now, yeah. Get you on your back, I know you love to. Even for that, I know, girl, I want you. Hundreds in my phone, but girl, I called you. Girl, I know it's late, but okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own.
Oh, you don't afraid of people seeing me and you?
That's the reason why I told you that no touching and certain talking, we're not going to do it in the public. So let's go inside.
Okay. So you inviting me in now?
Yes. Remember, we know each other now. And I'm feeling more comfortable with you. So no problem, you can go inside. Come on, let's go.
Wow, your place is so beautiful. I remember I saw it when I tripped inside the other day.
I know.
Wow.
You finally reach inside.
Oh, I've been
You
waiting.
can have a seat.
Oh, really?
Right here. Yeah. You can come over here, you know. We need to sit much closer. Okay, thank you. Oy, tired man. I wish I could stay in the water a little bit longer, but I have to come home because I have something else to sort out, you know?
So you're not gonna close the door?
No, that's okay. The food is so much. Let me give you a hug. Today was so fun. I enjoyed myself. You know what? I'm gonna go to the restroom. Just give me a few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my God. I'm so excited.
Wow.
Oh, I'm so excited. It's been a while. It's
Same.
years I haven't enjoyed myself like this. I
Oh,
swear.
really?
Thank you so much.
You're
I
welcome.
think I could do this again another time. You didn't enjoy yourself?
Of course. It was amazing.
Okay, so
Wonderful.
I think I feel a little bit too hot. So would you like another drink?
No, I had a lot already.
You know what? You're so handsome. I know I told you this many times, but I have to tell you again. You're very handsome. And you have a good heart.
Oh my, thank you so much. Hold on, just a few. Phone
That's
is ready.
okay.
How are you with Lando?
I want you.
There, man, everything good?
You're still beside that woman.
Oh, continue. What were you saying now?
Who was that?
Oh, it's one of my friends keep calling me, checking up on me. I told him that I was on the road with my wife.
Okay. All right. Oh my God. So it was a nice day. I enjoyed it as I told you before, and I would love for you to do this again. When can you make another trip to go to the river or somewhere else? It doesn't have to be like exactly the river, but it is a nice thing going out
So,
with you.
today is when?
Thursday.
Thursday. Probably we could go by Sunday
You sure?
or Saturday.
Are you going to be available for that day?
Of course, sure.
Okay, no problem. All right. Guess what? What are you thinking?
What are you thinking about?
I'm going to close the door.
Okay.
Oh.
Where are you taking me?
Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups and shy, see this night I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget that. I get the shy, you get the drinker. If you got mine, I make me link up. Me I go for party, me I go for party. For life, I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget that. I get the shy, you get the drinker. If you got mine, I make me link up. Me I come for party, me I come for party.
Oh my God. That was so good. I enjoyed myself.
I enjoy myself too, you know. But that's why from the first time I met you, I told you I love you. That's the only way we could get to connect.
I prove it now. Believe in love at the first sight. Because our love is so strong. Definitely connect. I'm feeling it for you.
Anyways, honey, I got to go because the same guy that called me, he want me to deal with something fine, so I have to go. So, do you have any extras that you can give to me?
Oh yes, no problem. I thought I had some money inside my purse, but it's not in there. I think I misplaced it somewhere. But don't worry, I'm gonna go inside. I have some more money inside my room. I can give you some.
Okay, I want to.
Yeah. There you go. This is 200 US. You can have it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Honey, you sure you want to give me so much money?
That's nothing. If I didn't misplace some money, I could give you even more.
Wow. I really enjoy it.
Anything you want, just call me. I'm here for you.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So, bye. I'm gonna call you. So
Okay, be safe.
Okay.
Make sure you call me when you reach home.
Okay, honey.
Bye. Make sure you call me when you
Okay,
reach.
honey. Bye.
All right. Bye.
7 rainy days have now passed by. I'm alone without you by my side. You let me down, I can't chase you no more. You take away my pride, we're over. Friends have been chatting about we. They know everything, can't help what they see. They can see the shame you left on me. I'm in a state of misery. No more sitting waiting by the phone.
What am I doing? Kelly, what are you doing? Kelly.
Alright.
Hi, babe.
Dave, so go on.
I need you to send me about 20,000.
20 more thousand again. Alright, I'm going to rest of me and I'm send it off. But as some more me dep on there, you give me a time to change out my shirt and stuff.
I know, but the money that you gave me, I use it to pay my partner, and I did get some stuff for the house. But I ran out of some stuff. I need some more groceries. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Oh, you're not gonna give me 20, you're gonna give me 25. Okay, thank you. I love you. Okay. Have a great day. Alright. Thanks. Bye.
Alright.
Sitting waiting by the phone, wondering if you'll ever come home. Leaving me out in the cold, you left me all alone. Putting out my heart for you.
Ropes. Connect. God! Man look so happy. All gone.
Yeah, we must look happy. You don't know my thing come done.
I know if your thing come down, you know, man. That's why I choose for you work, you know. I say a sharp boy, you know.
Bingo boy, queer. Look here, boy. Look here, boy. Yeah, money. Be a money.
We rich. What you mean, man?
No, sorry. Me rich.
What you mean by you rich?
No, we rich. Me rich.
What I talk about? Remember say me and the mastermind there at all of this, you know. Run for me cheese, you know.
Yeah, that's how we have a boss, man.
You see me?
This belongs to all mastermind.
Yeah. How are you there, man?
You don't see me 2 foot them.
Put something more on this, you know, yo. Put something more on it, you know.
But my thing bigger, you know. Just show me bring it, you know.
Show me how to squeeze out from there, you know. But give me something more, man. You know, so. Put something more on it, man.
Yeah, easy, you know, you know. What do you do, you know? Say I do, I rob you, I try rob me.
Sometimes I have to rob your friend, them, you know.
That's what I'm funny, so true we are friend, you know.
Me take this, because I can buy one box full later and do something.
Good with that.
Look up, boy, move fire.
No. Your time soon come. You soon get big too.
And then look up, boy, out, you know. Kick him in a chair.
So what we are doing?
Yo, bro, I am a... Yo, this... We bingo, but... But then, anyway, still, you know, get the idea and a banking, inform.
No, me not get that tip, man, but you don't need to worry about that.
That good still, because she going want them for you, me I tell about the next groups, you know, you see me? We are going to the next level, you know, you understand? You see me, we are step up, you know. So you more you do for me, you know. It's like how you have a heart and then look how you more you pressure to grab a car, you see me? Like the last one, you understand? I make a next 2 million, you know. You see me? So you go to bounce man and make sure you buy one vehicle and you just bops and take with that and move with it, you see me? Do what you have to do and split up for you look at the whole.
Just like the last one.
You know, you have a thing then no man, you understand me? That's
a code, man.
You understand? But do what you have to do, you see me? Just remember say we have just pressure, you understand? Make sure you know how things set.
Alright.
Yeah, dog.
Oops.
Connect.
Sharp boy.
Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups and shy. See this night I choose to forget I'm in trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now. But this time can make it forget down. I get the shy, you get the drinker. If you got mine, I make we link up. Me I come for party, me I come for party. All night I dey sip, but they smoke, I dey drink or something. See this line in my phone is on silence, I don't wanna hear nothing. Nothing, neither. But this night I choose to forget my trouble for life. I know everybody got things on their mind now. But this time can make it forget down. I get the shy, you get the drinker. If you got mine, I make me link up. Me I come for party, me I come for party. It's just rainy days, I make sure I just let my light shine more. Anything make it feel like this, I remind myself of this time.
Girl, I waited from morning. You tell me say I come in the wait for you all now you can't reach. How?
I tell you say me I come. You just a call me so. How happen? How could I really happen? Because if I'm look over fountain again and cool down. Yeah, me they come now. I remember say me have some heated things to talk to you about. So me no must have come, girl. Girl, bye. Me they come now.
Make we dey feel okay. Make we no go that way now. Say we gon' feel amazing. Say we gon' feel okay, I know everybody got things on their mind now. But this time can make it forget down. I get the shy, you get the drinker. If you got mine, I make me link up. Me I come for party, me I come for party.
Ah, God, best you can clean up in front part of yard. Kelly! Bestie! Oh, sir. Why? Me and the gator ever they fight. Kelly! Kelly!
Hello?
Girl, just lock up so in that place. Me there, man. What?
A long time I not see you.
Long time I not see you.
You can come inside.
Then I must.
Come give me a hug, get to out of there.
My bad.
What?
Then,
You alright?
alright. So far.
So which breeze blow you yes or no? I want warm.
Huh? My friend. How long we are friend now for?
Long time.
Long time. When I come close to you, I don't really want nobody to hear. This is a little business, yeah. Not matter of fact, this is a big business, yeah. Kelly. Kelly. How much time I calling you?
About 2.
What make it so wicked? Imagine, Johnny overseas, I do landscaping. You know how landscaping hard? Imagine in a sun hot. I work and I chop people bush at them they sitting there. And I just 5 cent money for take care of you. I you taking money of mine, man.
Which man? What are you talking about?
Kelly.
Janet. Which man you talking about?
Me I talk about stew.
Stew. What are you talking about? Wait. You choke me. What kind of stew you talking about?
Me I choke you?
Like stew chicken or whatever. What are you talking about?
Stew chicken, stew chicken.
I don't know what you talking about.
You know me I talk about?
No, what are you talking
You know me I talk about? The young boy where you pick up. He name Andrew, but they call him Stew.
Oh, Andrew you talk?
Yes.
Okay.
Andrew Stew.
No, he no name Andrew Stew. Stew I just saying street name, but Stew me not really call him, so me not really remember say so them call him. Me know him as Andrew. Someone you address him as Andrew. What is for now? What you talk about me take money from my man from Bahamas and then taking my young boy? What kind of easy? Why you think would I do something like that?
Listen. I know me say so. A people on the street so not together and a chat no business. I'm ear back. I'm a come tell her now.
So how my business be somebody else's business? So me never know say if a woman walk with a man, that mean them they together. So you can't walk with nobody again.
No, you never know
You can't
that.
talk to nobody again. Everybody where you talk to, if one woman go chat to one man, the woman and the man there. Seriously? Oh no know what people are talking about, and you personally, Janet, as my friend, really hear something like this. You know, come ask me for true. You dey assume and judge me wrongfully. So
No, Kelly, cause guess what? No, guess what? You know sometimes we women keep secret. So not everything we are gonna tell we friend. You understand? So when me hear that, me have to come ask her because Johnny can't work off film backside overseas. If take care of you. More while in the Western Union, we send money come, more while in the bank.
Cut that kind of argument there. How you know said Johnny I send certain amount of money come give me and every time he send me, but you're not easy.
Stick up in right, that's a stick up in, girl. Remember say, you always a tell me say, Johnny, I go to Western Union and send money come give you. You forgot?
Me and friend, me not forgot. Yes, me tell you a couple times, but not every time. It look like he must send money come give you too.
I would have never take it. Me can't take my friend, man. I'd never take it. But in a real life, you know, Kelly. In a real life, you see, if you mind young man and them a time, yeah, you must know. You must know. Me a friend, but you must know because Johnny a good man, and as a real friend, me I tell her say you know supposed to do them things. They, hey, me not go say me believe, and me not go say me not believe, but this a part of brain you tell me say you they do it, and the next part tell me say you not do it. So me don't know what you think you know. But anyways, Kelly.
Yes.
Me and your friend. For whole heap of years now, not true?
Mm-hmm.
Even though I'm younger than you. So you don't have to babble short the party to me. But we are friends. And you know we always keep each other secret. So Kelly, tell me truth. Tell me truth. We got love. You have feelings with the youth there?
Alright, sir. You know easy, you know? You know easy, man. I really want to talk about that right now, you know? Just sit down for that. I don't want to talk about that right now.
Silence is the key. You see it? You see over there? You know easy, you know?
But he's a very nice young man, you know. I know nothing personal. Nobody think like that. I would never take Johnny money and give to him. You crazy? I just... Some talking like joke and something and I mean, I know nothing like intimate. Just social talking. You understand what I say?
Mm-hmm.
You ain't even know nothing, man. You're crazy, man.
Kelly, just talk it truth for God love. Because I know the youth there now. I know him good. I want him to go to there now. Be careful of the youth there. Me personal know them the set of youth there. You know where the youth they come from? Eh? Over Crocodile City over so you know what they saw? Eh? You know what they? When you are a young boy, you don't know about Crocodile City.
Me tell you something, you see how far you're gone? You better stop it from right here. So before my name spread till you reach a Bahamas where Johnny dead, don't do it.
Kelly, for the last time, I got to tell you, be careful of the youth there. Alright, you know what? I got to take my leave now. I got to take my leave. But I can't say my name one you.
Go along where I go. Some of you too bad mind. You just too... I not even know if you say. You full of too much envy and too much jealousy now. You. If me did know, me not tell us so much of my business, man. You say, wouldn't come and so with your little talking. No man shop I use your head for me. Leave me alone. I must say, I like half a boy too. You can't tell me about me there with boy. You know, can't tell who if you talk to. Sure.
Hello,
Hello?
hello, babe. What's up?
I'm here. You good?
Yeah, you know that I'm calling to tell you about. Remember, babe, we are getting closer and closer, and we don't like. I don't like no one to see us together and call your husband in Barmash and tell him that we're together, because because babe, I really love you and I don't want anything to happen to you. So, the best way I think it could work out for us to keep this relationship private is for you to buy a car. It doesn't have to be expensive.
Hmm. Hmm. I think that's a great idea. Where could we get that car?
Oh, I think I know somewhere up the road. We could get a cheap car value about 2 million, I think. I doesn't sure, but I could go and check for you, or two of us could go and check.
Okay, no problem.
So when you think you could buy the car?
Hmm. Maybe Monday or so.
Monday. So Monday I'm gonna come and check for you.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, bye. Love
All
you.
right, bye.
Hey, my handsome husband, how are you? Babe, there are so many things going on in the community. Yeah. Remember the other day I told you that they kidnapped 2 women? Yes, and I'm so scared when I'm walking. I am so scared. I think I need a car. The both of us need a car because when you come back, the both of us is going to drive the car. Yeah. How much? I think it's about 2 million or 2 point something like that. 2 million, I think. I really do need it. I'm tired of walking and the sun is so hot. I'm gonna take it from your account, okay? And get the car. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you, sweetheart. I love you so much. Thank you. I'm grateful to have a husband just like you. Mwah. Okay, I will. All right, bye. Hi, Andrew. I think we can get the car on Monday. Yeah. Yeah, I'm serious. Monday. But one thing, I told my husband that when he come back to Jamaica, he can have the car to drive also. Me. The both of us is going to drive it together. Yeah, so I'm not going to give you the car to drive. I'm going to drive it myself when we are going out together, okay? Okay, cool. All right, bye. Okay.
Oh yeah, baby. Okay, you know how I go. Hey, yeah, yeah. Okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone, yeah. You
Oh, what going man?
Someone I'm gonna tell about. I'm gonna sell the car. How do you know, bossy? What you doing?
Hi.
That's it, love.
That's it.
Him will buy a car from
Yeah, man.
here.
So, this is it, you know?
So, him will carry go tax office, sign out the car, and transfer money away to him.
Okay.
Oh, so you're the one that buying the car?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. So, let's head to where to first? Alright. Let's head to the bank first.
Yeah.
Then we'll head to the tax office, right?
Alright.
Alright. You can't have a seat.
I'm always on my own. You running through my mind, I know that it's getting cold. I'm always getting caught, feeling stuck here all alone. Yeah, I'm scrolling through the gram and you pop up on my phone. Yeah, you know.
Alright.
I'ma hit you on the leg slide. We don't gotta waste no. Down to this creeping, this could be a secret. You know. I'ma hit you on the leg slide. We don't gotta waste no. On my own, you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. My homies getting caught, feeling stuck here all alone. Yeah, I'm scrolling through the gram and you pop up on my phone. Yeah, you know. I'ma hit you on the leg slide. We don't gotta waste no. Down to this creeping, this could be a secret. Yeah.
Where that girl today? Girl, come here. Me have a surprise for you. Me dey out of your gate. Yeah, come. Hurry up and come. Me wait for you. Alright.
What? Kelly, no sir. Why didn't I prepare a car?
Girl.
Eh? I will get a car.
Girl, it's my car, honey.
Ooh.
So get a grip of yourself, man.
No sir. Me happy for my friend. Me come in the front seat.
You want to drive out? You want to feel how it you?
What? Ooh.
How we go drive out?
Yes, Gary.
Is this the place that you were talking about, that you want us to hang out?
Yes, man. Very nice place right here.
Yes, it does. It is very nice, but this is a public place. We can't stay here. We have to find somewhere else. Remember, I told you about my lifestyle already.
Okay, babe, we can go somewhere else.
Okay, let's go. Okay, you can get something for us to drink.
Okay.
So how do you know this place?
Oh, this is where me and my brethren used to come and play cricket. We used to play scrimmage. No one is over here now, so I think this is a safe place for us. Could you pass my drink for me, please?
Here you go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So you're not winding up the window?
Okay.
Like I say, this is where me and my friends and my brothers come to play when we're younger.
Okay.
Over there we have the cricket pitch, and this tree now, this tree is like 2,000 years old.
Really?
Yep.
I don't think so. This tree could never be 2,000 years old. No way.
Well, believe it or not, it is. So let's go.
Okay.
내가 힘이 돼줄게. 작은 해 보게도 웃을 수 있게.
You laughing at me?
No.
People has to pay millions of dollars to watch me flick, and you getting it for free?
Oh, please. Let's go.
Let's go.
Here you go.
Yeah, I enjoy going out with you today, babe.
I enjoy myself too.
Slow down in front of me, babe.
What are you gonna do?
My grandmother gave me a piece of land. I'm gonna go and look at it.
Okay.
So you could stop right here. Honey, just walk one right here. I'm gonna make a call, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll still come. Yo, bad boy, up on location. Alright, just watch. We have a walk with us, so just do your thing. Key night. Ah.
Maggy Films. Maggy.